Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of colossal birds. Let's learn about their heights, weights, and even how fast they can run or fly. If you want to watch separate videos, then please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing animals facts. Number 10. California Condor. The California condor is one of the largest flying birds in North America. It has a wingspan of up to 9.8 feet, 3 meters, weigh up to 26 pounds, 12 kilograms, and can reach speeds of around 55 miles, 88.5 kilometers per hour in flight. Number 9. Wandering albatross. Roaming the Southern Ocean, these birds boast a wingspan of up to 11 feet, 3.3 meters, and can glide through the air at speeds of up to 78 miles, 125.5 kilometers per hour. Number 8. Dalmatian pelican. These big-billed birds can be found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. They can weigh up to 33 pounds and have a wingspan of up to 11.5 feet, 3.5 meters, flying gracefully through the skies. Number 7. Andean condor. Soaring over the Andes Mountains in South America, these majestic flyers have a wingspan of up to 10.5 feet, 3.211 meters, and can cruise through the air at speeds of around 55 miles, 88.5 kilometers per hour. Number 6. Kori bustard. Found in Africa, these heavy flyers can weigh up to 40 pounds, 18.14 kilograms, stand about 4.3 feet, 1.3 meters, tall, and run at speeds of up to 30 miles, 48.2 kilometers per hour. Number 5. Greater rhea. From South America, these birds can stand over 4.9 feet, 1.4 meters, tall, weigh up to 88 pounds, 39.9 kilograms, and sprint across the grasslands at speeds of up to 40 miles, 64.3 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Emperor penguin. These amazing penguins live in Antarctica, standing about 3.9 feet tall, 1.1 meters, weighing up to 90 pounds, 40.8 kilograms, and swimming through icy waters at speeds of around 6 to 9 miles, 14.4 kilometers per hour. Number 3. Emu. Also from Australia, emus can grow over 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall, weigh up to 130 pounds, 58.9 kilograms, and run at speeds of up to 30 miles, 48.2 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Southern cassowary. Found in Australia, these birds stand about 5.9 feet, 1.7 meters, tall, weigh up to 190 pounds, 86.1 kilograms, and can dash through the forests at speeds of around 30 miles, 48 kilometers per hour. Number 1. Ostrich. These giants from Africa can stand over 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall, weigh up to 320 pounds, 145 kilograms, and zoom across the savannas at speeds up to 43 miles, 69.2 kilometers per hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures with our feathered friends.